Hi, this is Johnny. This is Artfox booth at InfoComm 2026, Las Vegas.
And what do you have, the robot?
Robert is,
He's sleeping right now.
yeah, he's sleeping.
So what do you show here at the booth?
We have the very cool LED check lights, check sport. It's a controller and lights.
Is this
IP60 lights, 1,800 watt check lights.
nice? So it's up there.
Control the
Link multiple lights into one.
Nice.
yeah.
And it's just with an app?
No,
an app on the iPad?
Control
On the
by
tablet?
this. This is
If I
controller.
had 3 spotlights,
Yeah.
could I control
Nice.
all 3 spotlights?
And
Looks
you
like a
can,
motorbike. It's like a motorbike.
Yeah, it's like a motorbike. Go ahead. Zoom.
You just have to make sure you don't blind people, right?
Yeah. So,
Nice. Okay. And
一个控一台灯 one by one.
and what else do you show here?
We have awesome lighting fixtures, menu, moving head beam wash, and laser beam, IP65, and the framing lights, IP65 framing lights, 1,000 watt LED,
All right.
and it's 1,200 LED, and moving head wash.
And
Also,
what is this big LED screen?
Also, we have the mini pixel pitch.
Is it 8K?
It's 4K,
Okay.
but we can make 8K. And this product is a mini small pixel 1.2. You see it's power supply, receiving card, the hub is very clean, no cable. And the module is big size, the double size. Before the most small pixel module is one cabinet for 8, but this cabinet only have 4. Not only it spend less time, more easy to install, it means it has a better connection. Sorry.
Oh, it was down here. I think it was there.
Yeah, it was there. Very easy. There you go. And it's very thin and lightweight. It's great for fixed installation, for wall mounting, for hand. This is mini LED, COB and MIP.
What is this and this?
Okay, let me show you. Artfox Flex Pro is for mobile events, for rental, kick setup, IP65 late. And we have the pixel pitch from 1.9 to P3.9.
Is it the same there?
No, it's different model.
Yeah.
This one is Artfox unique design, carbon fiber Top Pro. It's come with curve lock, unique design, the side lock, and the modular design, the power box, the modules. It's very super lightweight. It's only 20 pounds each panels. So it means it's super lightweight and easy to set up.
And do you have some setup going on here?
This power distributor. Yeah.
And some things here?
No, it's a video processor. Yeah.
Video processor.
Yeah, video processor here, over here. Yeah. I'll show you one more thing. Controller.
Yeah.
This is a DMX control board. DMX controller is a IDMX touch screen. Has many built-in program, and there is iPad with load case. Is excellent, easy, user friendly.
Nice. You control everything with this.
Yeah, we controlize everything with this board. Can you should see the framing effects over there?
Framing?
Yeah, framing. Yeah,
Nice. So there's framing effect going on.
yeah, framing effects going on. Yeah.
So where's your customers and where are you based?
We're based in USA. We have 5 locations in USA, in Los Angeles, Dallas, Houston, San Francisco, and New Jersey. And we have been in USA since 2013. So we have been in USA for 13 years. And we are also manufacturing, own manufacturing, make the lights and the LED wall.
In the US? No.
No,
In
the factory
China.
in China, but
Yeah.
our head office in US.
All right.
Yeah.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.